Sunny Meadows, let's go.
So the first time I played Sunny Meadows, it was extremely vocal, and we just discovered the church, and we were just like at the altar, and we were trying to figure out where to go from there, and it just started yelling at us.
Oh, nice.
First time I saw a Ouija board on the
Response to everyone. Julie Douglas. EMF reader, smudge stick, candle. Pretty easy.
You know, I saw this video that was really funny. It said, guys, I'm the best superhero. I have the superpowers of Batman and the money of Spider-Man. I'm so good.
Yeah, dude. I'm two of the best superheroes combined, bro.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Julie Douglas.
Alright, let's get this done. Alright, which part's gonna be open this time?
We'll see, we'll see.
Your mom.
Oh, God.
Our mom. Russia.
What? What?
That's what that was Tyler and I's conversation last time.
Oh, the back is... Wait, no, it's open. Okay.
I'm gonna leave a camera here in this room.
Bless you.
6.9 degrees. What the fuck was that?
I like the temperature of this room.
Can you see ghosts outside of cameras and dots and stuff?
There's like a...
I'm not sure if I was
You
just
see
tripping.
ghosts outside?
Well, no, I was like over here and I turned and I thought I saw something move past me, but I could just be tripping.
I don't know. Could be part of the game.
Here, I'll go grab the other camera and bring it in as well.
Alright.
$40 left of grace period.
Oh, I forgot we had a grace period. Oh, there's a hand at the bottom of the fucking... monkey thing. Monkey hand.
Monkey paw? Dibs,
Anybody
dibs,
remember the wishes we can
dibs, dibs, dibs. I got it, I know him.
And the cards are coming. I know.
Where is it?
You're out of breath.
Where is
It's
it?
right here.
Give it
It's
to
actually
me.
a really creepy place for
Give
it.
it to me.
Make me God.
All right. Find the room. Go. I'm talking to you guys.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Gosh, sneezing all over the place. Oh, look, it's a syringe. This looks like
Nice.
Buff Out, or no, yeah, it looks like Buff
Out from
fucking,
Fallout, yeah.
Fallout.
Or a stim pack from
Or no,
4.
no, Stim Pack.
from 4.
I don't know. Somebody's doing drugs in here.
So I didn't get
Definitely
any...
They
was
didn't
not
share?
me. Wink.
They didn't share. Rude.
I think it's gonna be like down this hallway over here.
Oh,
I wanted to do the same
That was
thing.
me.
okay.
Oh.
I wanted to do the same thing, man. I walked by and I saw it. I was like,
I couldn't
Did
help
somebody
myself.
open this door?
I checked it
Okay.
there. I was checking down here.
Ooh, more syringes. Nice.
there's some soap.
There's some lockers in here to hide in.
Don't drop it.
Ha ha ha
What if
ha.
I want to?
You know,
I keep
Is your
hearing
monkey
shit
paw
down here.
like...
yeah, it
what-
moves.
That's creepy as fuck.
Yeah.
I keep hearing shit like is it just me?
I think so.
I'm not really paying attention, honestly.
Who's got EMF?
Who the fuck did the
I
Nice,
didn't touch
nice.
it. I didn't touch, no,
It
I,
was me.
okay, I was like, dude, I didn't touch that.
The metronome.
I like
I
it.
heard
It gives
that-
a
I heard
weird
that
eerie
time.
feeling.
You
Oh,
guys,
yeah,
you guys
oh, yeah.
heard it that time, right? Fucking
No, I didn't hear anything.
The shit.
That might have been me. I make weird noises sometimes.
No, it sounded like it was a fucking like from the courtyard. Is the courtyard even
Oh,
open?
oh, oh! Was that somebody?
I don't know.
Did somebody
I
press
didn't
the
do
piano?
No.
I did not.
I heard a
I
piano.
opened the door. I opened the door
Guys,
and it squeaked a
what
little
if
bit.
we,
There's like a lot of fucking blood right here.
Don't judge my period.
Guys, I think it's in here.
Judge my period.
Not that.
I think it's in here.
It's regular.
It
The
just
the
looked-
metro the metronome
it
in
just
here.
looked
Yep,
right
it's in
here.
here. And I played this
If they're,
piano.
like right here.
Bro, I've been telling you, it's been over. I have been hearing shit.
You don't hear shit.
I heard shit. So touch the metronome.
We have low temps, but nothing freezing yet. It's pretty low though. Oh god.
Yo, you can hide behind this bookcase over here, eh?
I got down to like 0.3 degrees over here.
Hey guys, is
Who has the camera?
I do.
not me.
Alright, get ready.
I do.
You guys ready?
Wait,
I
yeah.
wish to see the ghost.
Hey, buddy.
Little bitch ass bitch. Oh my god.
Oh my god, he killed him!
That was unexpected. You little bitch.
Instant karma! Instant karma!
Here, I'll put down the cross now.
Oh my god!
Wait, you can bring him back. Let's bring him back.
You want to?
You bet. Let's do it.
Alright, Tyler. Be ready. Whew. This is for you. I wish to revive my teammate. It didn't work. What do I do? Oh god. Oh god.
Guys, can open the door or close the door over here.
You're welcome for that cross, by the way.
Monkey. Alright, we need to bring some cameras over.
Yeah, I was gonna get this one.
I'll grab this one over here.
You know, it's really creepy being alone in here. I keep trying to go off on my own, then I'm like, I don't know about that.
I'm not sure about that one, Chief. Sorry, I'm turning it off. It's honestly kind of annoying me.
No, it's okay. We still think it's in that room, right? Or
We know it's in that room.
because the metronome?
The metronome, the piano, it also appeared in that room.
Well, that's
And
because
it
we
also
did the
flared
off.
the cross. You weren't here for it, but it flared the cross.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was trying to hunt. It closed the door. That's a ghost event, right? Wasn't that ghost event?
You guys are good.
It got Sydney, I think.
Well, Dot. You should probably come out your sanity's at 0%.
It's hunting.
Oh, You sure?
Door's locked.
Can you move? I can't interact with the door at all.
It's locked. It's hunting.
But like I don't even get the noise to like, and it's not showing like, hey, it's unlocked. It's just, It's weird.
Dude, the ghost did like a victory lap around his body.
No, that's
and then it started
hilarious.
hunting.
Oh sweet, let's go.
He did like a fucking victory lap.
Oh my god, dude!
Hunting.
All of our sanity.
Yeah. It's dots. I saw it on the dots.
You saw dots? Okay.
Yeah. Was that EMF 5 I heard, or?
EMF was going off, but somebody keeps throwing down the EMF rather than holding it, so we never know if it's actually getting up to 5 or not.
One of the ghosts that are among us. If it was EMF 5, please put it on the blue pad. If you were unable to see it, put it on the keyboard. We have no ghosts.
Keyboard.
Okay.
Okay, they didn't see it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, there. Yep, that's definitely dots.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, it just
Yeah.
threw something. That's rude.
What an asswipe.
Alright, hold up. I'm
Oh,
gonna
man.
look up the specific wording to revive someone.
Wow, you'll do it for them, but not for me. That's fucked up. I'm only crying a little on the inside.
Okay. It's I wish to revive my friend, not teammate.
Oh.
I said it
Can you do both? How dare. Do you need to be near it or something?
I have no
You?
clue.
Alright, well, good luck. Take some sanity pills.
Yeah. Alright, let's see here. What do I got? I've got a thermometer on me. Alright, let's go. Sponsor one. We haven't even gotten the candle yet. We haven't gotten smudge sticks. We haven't even EMF reader because nobody's holding it. Oh my gosh. Is your sister watching something in the background?
Yes.
Alright, cool. I'll be back.
Alright, don't die.
Here, I should probably bring something else in here. I'll bring the spirit box in with me.
Alright.
Just in case.
Actually, I'll go in with you. Take a picture of Sydney's body.
Cool. You can, it only hunts in its certain sections, so you can like be in here and be safe like we were.
Yeah.
So that way,
I don't know where
if you
she
can,
died,
if you
though.
can stay near, I do. If you can stay near a door, then that'd be great.
Yep.
So that way I can know immediately, because when Sydney and I were kind of unsure if it was hunting or not.
I'll take a picture and then I'll
Yeah,
leave. And then
you
do
can
your
you can
own
stand like
questioning.
right here, and this door will close or something. Or is it that one?
Okay.
It's that door over there that closes. And if you still feel unsure, you can come hide in this closet.
Yep.
She should be in this first right room. Maybe a second. Yeah, right here. Well, I'm
You
definitely.
alive?
Yeah, I'm alive.
I think it hit EMF level 5, but I wasn't near. I could hear it though.
Oh, where's the EMF?
Hunting, hunting, hunting. You're good.
Cool. Are you here? Where are you? Ghost, if you're nearby, can you tell me where the
I'm gonna
EMF
go to
is?
the truck to see if we got the objective for the EMF, or ask any of our ghost friends if they saw it.
Are you here? Are you close?
It's hunting, it's hunting. You safe? Never mind, I lied.
Damn, this guy is rough. Ghost, I'm not seeing. Well, hello there. Oh, fingerprints, fingerprints. Okay. I got fingerprints.
I think it's EMF 5.
Alright, Ghost, if
Hunting,
you.
it's hunting.
God damn. Alright, Ghost, I have not seen the EMF. Can you throw something on this little corpse carrier thingy if you saw if it was EMF 5? Okay. Can you throw it into this doorway if it's not EMF 5?
You can get out. It's EMF level 5.
Gotcha.
Howdy, partner. I had
Howdy.
Beyond the Grave help.
Gotcha. I was asking for Beyond the Grave help, but I couldn't find the EMF 5 reader in time before it started hunting every time. I just had to keep running.
Yeah.
I was in there for a split second, and then I saw the fingerprint on the door. I'm like, oh shit!
It's hunting right now.
Nice.
Yeah. I was like, drop it on the chair if it's EMF 5, and it got dropped on the chair, and I was like, bet.
Cool, cool.
Comrade!
Yeah, and it hunts for a
hunted for a
long
while.
time.
Dude, sometimes it would stop hunting, but I wouldn't know because the lock thing wouldn't go, and I'm like, dude.
Yeah,
And then the
no.
one time I heard the EMF go off, and I was like, oh, it's done. And I'm like, never mind. The door was still
Dude,
locked.
hold up. The breaker's right here. Is there a light switch near here?
Here you go.
There's a lamp.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Nice.
That was
can-
me.
yeah.
That was me.
We can turn some of these lights on pretty easily, so these ones aren't gonna hurt anything.
Hunting again.
Yep.
You get close enough.
I can hear the EMF going off from here.
Yeah, I could hear it. I'm like, I think it's EMF 5. Were you unable to revive him? Just didn't get close enough?
Huh? What?
Were you unable to revive him because you couldn't get close enough?
I
Or?
never was able to give the opportunity.
I mean, you can try now. I mean, we're safe.
I was going to try and get some of the objectives.
Fair enough. Freedom of outside, eh?
Yes. Yush. So EMF reader, smudge sticks, blow out a candle.
Do you want me to do the same thing, or do you want me to grab something else?
If you want to grab a candle, I can hold the smudge sticks.
Okay.
And
Let's
might
go
as well take a sanity. It's not gonna hurt.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the same.
Alright, cool. Let's go.
I'll bring it in. You can place it wherever you want.
Do you not have a lighter on you?
No.
Can you? What else?
I have the camera.
We don't need the camera yet.
I need the camera.
No, you don't.
I need the camera.
You're gonna have to be pretty fast though. You want to light the candle now and just carry it?
That was the plan.
Nice. Oh, you just need to place it with F onto the floor real quick, and we can get out.
That's the plan. It came close to the door back here, so I'm just gonna place it back
Dude,
here.
I heard it. No, it needs to be in the room, otherwise it's not gonna blow it out.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead then.
I'll be in there with you, and I've got the smudge. It's hunting. Get in here, get in here. Behind it.
Like jazz.
This is a tough ghost.
Oh yeah.
Alright, quickly place it. Place it. I hear EMF going off. Is the door closed?
Yep.
Okay. Does your sister not have headphones?
No.
Watch this. Watch this. Helicopter, helicopter.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh god.
That was me that opened the door.
Yeah. Do you want to stay
Alright,
here?
safe.
Or you can stay here and I'll go try and go in and smudge.
Okay, you got a lighter?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't die.
No promises.
Happy trails. Good luck, fellow comrade.
The hell is... This door was just glitching out over here.
Hunting. You're safe.
Can you check the truck and see if I need to smudge the ghost or just smudge the area?
Sure. Hunting.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You were able to do it. You need to get the ghost to blow out the candle.
Well, that was terrifying. Whew.
You're safe. Since you're in there, you might want to move the candle in more,
Monkey.
as it didn't blow out the candle.
Monkey. Monkey.
And it's hunting again.
Yep. So we just need the candle?
Yep.
Honestly, with that one, it's kind of just a random chance. We'd have to either wait a while or... It's like, I don't think moving it would help. Because it's pretty solidly in there.
Well, what do you want to do then?
Monkey.
I mean, you can go try reviving him.
Monkey.
Fair enough.
Come, comrade.
Come, comrade.
Monkey.
What's your plan now?
Monkey.
Fair enough. It's hunting.
Yep. Monkey.
Oh, comrade.
Comrade. Okay, okay. Throw the book at me if it's Tyler.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be Sydney because it was
Let's
a book.
go. Comrade, I go revive you. Monkey. You want to stay here and wait for the door?
You can wait for the door.
It's hunting. You're good. I lied. No, you're good.
God damn, that was close. I heard it stepping right next to me. Alright, Tyler, let's go. I got you. I killed you. I'll bring you back. I wish to revive my friend. Damn it!
It's hunting, it's hunting.
I tried. Hello? Ghost friends? Ghost friends? You're muted. I can't hear you. Are you alive? Oh, it revived Sydney.
Oh, that's what happened. We were just about to have a conversation, you dick.
I'm sorry. I didn't know it revived. I thought it revived.
No.
What? Oh no.
Yeah, talking again.
It's gonna stay in this area, but
Yeah. All of a sudden I hear you speak and I'm like, hey yo. Sydney
Bro,
lives.
I'm sitting there and I'm talking to Tyler and I get fucking I get taken to the fourth dimension. I hear the EMF going up. No, so the EMF, like, it always goes up to 4, and so I think it is EMF level 5. But it, like, only really spikes to 4.
So you
I
lied!
took your word.
So I think it's 5.
Because it's fingerprints, EMF, and dots.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Hi, book. By the way, when Tyler and I were talking to you, I was the one that first threw the book, and then he's like, throw the book at me if you're Tyler. And I threw the book at you, but we both had the same book.
I was like, I think this is Sydney. Sydney's the one.
There it is.
Yeah.
It's definitely great. It just went on dots.
Yeah. R.I.P. Crow and all your stuff.
I had a
Let me know when you guys are done. I was dumb. I was trying to hit task manager and I hit sign out and so logged me out of the game in Discord.
Dude, I saw your thing vanish. I'm like, huh?
I died
know,
in
I'm sorry
IRL.
that you died for me. Yeah,
You
no,
guys
I
It's okay.
Dox projector.
Trying to explain my complex idea of how to communicate while we're ghosts, like how to tell somebody
No,
what
that's
ghost
what
it
he was
is.
gonna say, and I got fucking.
I'm gonna explain it to you guys
transported.
next game.
He's like, I know a way, and then I just get whoop. Like... Okay,
Alright.
it's Goryo.
Make sure you have Goryo. Toss out your mouse
He has
pad.
Goryo. He is Goryo. Or Crow. Yeah, he probably does. I believe in him.
Yeah, alright, let's go. Because we knew what it was, but we're like, hey, want to revive a teammate just for fun?
Monkey.
Bro, we were sitting over having.
Monkey.
Bro, that scared
Monkey.
the shit out of me.
You're good to join again, Tyler.
Sweet. I'm in. All right. Next time we're in a game, I'm gonna explain to everybody like my idea for like how to tell somebody what ghost it is
Level
without like
up
actually talking.
unlocks custom. What? Oh.
We can make a really difficult custom game if you want.
Oh.
Ghost interactions 341.
If you
Dude,
make a custom game, you can make a lot of money if you get it right.
I
can,
was.
like,
Oh my god, dude. The 300. That ghost was all over me so often. I was
Yeah.
able to be in the room for like 2 seconds. Sometimes I couldn't even get to the room before I started hunting again.
Was it a Goryo?
Yeah.
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 I knew it. I guessed that pretty early on.
Tyler, like I freaked the fuck out because it's just like you're about to like describe. You're about to describe this complex method, and I'm
Alright,
sitting there
get
like,
this.
and then I get
Silence.
Yeah, I know. Literally, I was like leading her to the trailer, and I look behind me, and she's gone. I'm like, what the fuck happened?
I'm sitting behind the locked door, and all of a sudden I hear Sydney's voice. I'm like, she didn't unmute.
We're talking about like wildfires and shit while we're walking over to the.
Yeah,
trailer.
yeah.
She's like, have you heard about what's in Washington? I'm like, oh no,
Or
I
what's in
haven't.
New York?
And
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 you're
I
like,
was
what
like,
about
we're-
Ohio?
yeah.
And I'm like, I've
What?
never been. And then I just, I
Well,
can't believe-
Ohio like had a train accident, and there's a bunch of chemical waste that's basically
Oh,
made
yeah,
the entire state toxic to live in, and basically nobody's doing anything about it to clean it up, and the government's not claiming responsibility, the company's not claiming responsibility, and
But guys.
basically nobody's doing anything, and insurance isn't paying out, so none of them can actually move. So they're just stuck in a toxic wasteland, dying.
But listen.
Bro,
Monkey.
Yeah, Crow?